Hey guys, Stan Dale, President of Florida Suncoast. Hope you're doing well. Well, August is gone and September's in, and we started off with a bang. This Saturday, Sarasota, BMW of Sarasota, Cars and Coffee. I'll be there coming up for the holiday weekend. Can't wait to get up there and sort of check that out. And then on Sunday, we have the Punta Gorda Port Charlotte breakfast out of Inglewood, so check that out. John's putting on a show up there for us, and so I'm going to try to be there on Sunday morning for the breakfast. Should be a lot of fun. And then next weekend, the following weekend, we got a Friday, Saturday, Sunday event for the following weekend. The 8th, we're doing the cars there at Channelside up the Friday night cars on top of the deck, Kevin's deal up there in Tampa. And then on Saturday, we have Caffeine and Octane in Jacksonville. And then on Sunday, we have the Gainesville Cars and Coffee Mary Beth going on. Al's got the one on one side, and Mary Beth's got the one on the other. So a lot of things going this weekend into next weekend, and just a really cool thing. Hey, I'm gonna back up here because I got a little bit of a surprise that came in the mail today. We've been working on this project for a year. Hey, Larry Cobb, pay attention to this. You've been asking. So I want to show you, these are the early model workups. We've been working on a website where we can put together some clothing lineups with our logos on them. So we just got the first samples in today. This is a ladies cut with our logo on it, and then men's cut with our logo on it as well. So we're working out the details now for the purchase online website, Florida Suncoast website, with all kinds of clothing, shirts, jackets, hats, all that kind of stuff. So hopefully, now that we've seen the models and once we sign off on that, hopefully we can get the website up and going. Everybody's been asking about it, and it's just been, I'll give Carol Villar all the credit. This woman has been through the ringer trying to get the logo approved to use, and working with the vendors to get it all set up and done. But we finally see some really cool stuff. So there we go. Lots to do. Check it out. For those folks that were involved in the storm this past week, I hope and pray everything came out well. I know there's some flooding up in our Tampa zone and on up north in that general direction, and then over in Jacksonville area as well. So our prayers are out for those folks. If there's anything we can do, if you need some things, let us know. We'll be glad to try to help where we can. We're praying for you. Hope we'll do well. Take a look at the RSVP, and then we'll see you soon. Happy Labor Day. See you soon. Thanks, everybody. Bye.